If you want to change your payment method in Squarespace, the process only takes a few minutes. Here's how to do it. First, log into your Squarespace account. On the homepage, click Login in the top right corner. If you'd like, you can choose. Continue with Google for a quick and secure way to access your account. Just be sure you're using the Google account connected to your site. Once logged in, select the website where you'd like to update the payment details. If you manage multiple sites, double-check that you're in the correct dashboard. From your site dashboard, go to the Settings menu on the left-hand side. Inside Settings, click on Selling. This is where all the tools for transactions and sales are located. Next, choose Payments. Here you'll see your current connected payment methods. You can update your existing provider or add a new one. Squarespace supports options like Stripe, PayPal, and others. Select the provider you want to use, then follow the prompts to log in and authorize the connection. Once that's done, your new payment method will be active. From now on, all transactions on your site will process through the updated account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your payment method in Squarespace. With just a few clicks, you can keep your payments set up aligned with your business needs.